Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install TailsOS 7.4.2 on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to TailsOS official website and download tails.net. Click on install Tails. Then see here the latest release is 7.4.2. Scroll down, click on burning a Tails DVD. Then click on download Tails 7.4.2 ISO image. See, download started and its size is 1.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded it. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Then select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse. Then go to downloads directory. Select the downloaded Tails ISO image. Next, select the Linux as the guest operating system and version as Debian Linux because Tails is based on Debian. So select latest version of Debian from this list. Click on next. Provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Tails 742 VM. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path where you have the announcement. Click on next. Provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Click on next. See, this is the virtual machine hardware information. If you want to customize any one of these options, click on customize hardware and change the properties. I am giving memory 4 gigabytes. Click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings. And if you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. See, these are the default values set for language, keyboard layout and format. If you want to change any one of them, just click on them and change. And if you want to create persistent storage, just you need to turn on. If you don't want, turn off. And additional settings, click on this plus button. See, these are the additional settings. See, these are the default values. If you want to set the password for the administration, click on here and set the password. Remember this password, later we may need this password. Then click on add. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. See, you got the TailsOS tar connection. If you want to connect to tar automatically, just you need to select this radio button and click on connect to tar. Now open terminal. Now verify the version more/etc os-release. See, we have installed TailsOS 7.4.2. The first step after connecting to TailsOS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update -- sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the administration. Hit enter. See, successfully connected to tar. Click on start tar browser. See, default search engine for tar browser is DuckDuckGo. You want to verify the version of the tar browser, go to help, about tar browser. See, we have installed 15.0. Okay. See, updation and upgradation. Provide the password again. Type and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install TailsOS 7.4.2 on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.